everyone, this is Maria. I'm headed into the garage because Joey is working on a Halloween project. It's a surprise, you guys. So by the time you see this video, it will be completed. So let's go out there, okay, you guys? He doesn't know I'm coming. I can hear him working with the saw. Hey, honey. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
You're all hot and sweaty. Do you want to open the garage door and let some air in here?
Sure, that sounds like a good idea.
Okay, and then breakfast is just about done.
All right.
But anyways, Joey, you want to tell us what you're making?
I'm going to make me a sleigh.
What kind of sleigh? Santa sleigh?
Jack sleigh.
Jack Skellington sleigh. Yeah, so that's what he's making for Halloween. And don't worry, honey, no one will see this video until it's all completed, okay? Silly. Okay, so show us what you're doing.
Oh, basically right now I've just laid it out on a piece of plywood, marked it with a marker, and now I'm just cutting out the design. It's actually going to be a little bit smaller. I figure it's going to probably be somewhere around the 7th, 8th scale because this is already going to be almost 9 feet long.
Wow.
By the time I'm done with it, so I don't even know where I'm going to store the 9-foot sleigh, but
we'll find a place for it. You can always put it on the roof, right?
On the
roof.
So
this is the bottom of the sleigh, right?
Yep, it's actually the skid portion of it.
Oh, okay. All right. So let's look at it on a picture. Can you show us?
Well, this is pictures we took at Disneyland, so it's actually this lower part right across here that's just underneath the coffin.
Okay, and Joey has such an eye because I didn't realize that there was little faces right there on those runners. And so, okay, honey, so why don't you come in for breakfast, then you can get right back to work.
Get back to work.
Okay.
I'm doing the preliminary sanding on it, trying to get all the edges nice, relatively smooth. I want to still have a rustic look. So, but I just got to bevel all the edges and smooth it all out and kind of bring some definition out to all the faces and all that.
Yeah, it looks great.
So just kind of smoothing out all the edges. Not really smooth. I want to give it that, still have that rustic feel. But then I'm just trying to bring out some definition in all the faces and everything.
Yeah, look at this, you guys. This looks so cool.
It's just all rough sanded out and everything. And right now I've got all the really bad spots marked. You know, if you look at it, you can really see it good on this one right here. How the plywood had some big chunks missing out of it. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and fill all those in. I'm just going to catch the worst of it because I don't want it to look too perfect. I want it to look more vintagey, rustic, beat up, kind of like a rat rod of sleighs. So, we'll fill those in and then we'll start putting this thing all together as far as the skid area goes. Okay, as of right now, we've got the sleigh part pretty much roughed out. It's actually standing all on its own.
Wow, that's really strong.
Yeah. In worst case scenario, we can always make it a bench afterwards on the patio.
I would love it on the patio afterwards, you guys.
We've got a little bit more progress made on it. Right now, we've got the base for the coffin right here. And then this part right here is going to be the top frame, which is going to be about 12 inches high off of that. And then we have the lid, which is going to go on top of my head. Now I've got to go to the hardware store, grab one more sheet of plywood.
Okay.
So I can sheet the side of the coffin. Then I'll hinge the top door and then we can start finishing.
Careful with that, Joey.
Yeah.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Kind of looking like a coffin now.
It does. It looks fantastic. Gosh, you guys, look at this. I tell you, my husband is so talented. Right, Joey?
I can make anything.
He can. He really can.
Okay, we're a couple more hours into the construction, and I've got the top of the coffin laid out already. So now this next step is I've got to get the hinges because this one is going to have to hinge this way. And then this one has to hinge this way. Once I get the hinges all lined up, everything all squared up, then I'm going to just start rough finishing everything and then start getting ready to paint. This year it's going to be what I'm going to call a rat rod. So it's not going to be completely done because it won't make it in time, but it'll be really close to what's out there. It just may not be as shiny and may not be as finished as well.
Okay.
But then next year I'll take it all apart again and really fine tune everything. So next year it'll be a showpiece.
We're going to be giving toys away for Halloween this year, and so we're going to put all the toys in the coffin. It's going to look so neat, Joey.
Yeah. So then that way they have to reach in and get a toy without falling in. The last time you saw it, we had the wood laid out, and I had already roughed out with the Bondo. So I took it down to the shop to go ahead and spray it. So I've sprayed a sealer coat on the whole thing, so it's one consistent layer. Because the next step on this thing here is I'm going to go ahead and fit the hinge. I already fit the hinges, but I'm going to go ahead and put them back on, make sure everything's functioning correctly, and then take it apart, and then we'll go ahead, and then this is basically ready for paint. So next I'm going to go ahead and work on the Sleigh portion of it. I'm going to fix all the flaws and stuff that are in the wood, and then my goal today is to go ahead and get that part painted, because we've already got like I say, the trash cans already gray sealed.
That looks really neat, Joey.
So
Did you have that done at work?
yeah, I took that to the shop as well, and gray sealed it. And then that goes back here, and we still have to do the paint work on this one. But this is ready for paint, that's ready for paint. And today I'm going to go ahead and get the repairs done on the Sleigh portion of it and paint that part today. So what I'm doing is right now I'm just pretty much sanding. I'm trying to fill in all the imperfections with Bondo just to make it smoother. And then I'm just finishing up the sanding on it, and then be ready for sealer and then paint.
Okay.
That's where I'm at right now. So after I get it all ready, then I'll go ahead and I'll probably gonna put some paint on it. The correct way to do it would be to go ahead and you seal it and prime it and sand it. But we're in kind of a rush right now, so I'll probably try and use some kind of a paint that, like a sealer, and everything all mixed in one. Because this part's gonna be flat black anyhow, and the coffin's gonna be flat green.
Okay.
So, it doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but yeah, it's going to look good as a problem. One piece of chunk fell out of there from wood,
okay.
So I just got to kind of fabricate a section of it.
Okay.
And then the rest of it, I just got to finish up this part, and then I'm done for today.
Oh, okay. So what is this stuff, Joey?
Bondo.
Oh, is that Bondo?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks different.
Yeah.
And so anyways, and he has some over here on the face, you can see.
Yeah. Yeah,
And,
so then I
okay.
just got to cut it down. Basically shape it, sand it, and smooth it. Got the handles all cut out for the side of the casket. So basically all I got now to do is take these to the shop in the morning, paint them, then just drill holes through the casket and bolt them onto the side of the casket.
Oh, nice. They turned out really good, Joey. So Joey just got home from work, and here's the coffin. It's all painted. This is super heavy. Careful, honey. Oh, careful. Oh my gosh, Joey, that looks so good. It looks real.
Yeah.
And so it has the two colors on it, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. Let me back up so you can see it. Wow. That sort of looks like it could be like Grandpa Munster's car or something too.
I know. Maybe next time I put a bubble with a motor in it.
That'd be really cute. Joey, no graffiti. No graffiti.
Yeah. We're almost done here. Okay, we're just gonna get it all set up in the front of the house. You can see what it looks like. Get next to it. I got
Oh my gosh, you guys.
spots right here.
What are you gonna do?
We just gotta touch up a couple of spots right there.
Okay. So he's doing some touch-ups.
Yeah.
Look at the trash can, you guys. Oh my gosh. It looks so cool, Joey. I love this, you guys. This has been so much fun to share this with everyone, right, Joey?
Oh yeah. Yep. Yeah. It's been a lot. Actually, it wasn't going to take as long as I thought it would, but there was a lot of work involved.
Yeah, there was a lot of work, right? It took you how many weekends?
About 5 weekends, 4 to 5
5?
weekends. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I've got about 50 or 60 hours in this project now.
Wow.
So-
Wow, 50 or 60 hours.
So-
Look at this, you guys. Remember when he was just getting started?
Yeah.
I love how you did this with the trash can, Joey. That looks so cool. Oh, look at the lid, you guys. That looks really cool. Joey used to be an automotive painter for a lot of years.
Yeah.
And so, oh my gosh, the handles look really good too, Joey. And look at the face. And so, Joey, it just looks fantastic.
Yeah. Well, let's see what kind of reaction we get on Halloween night.
You did a really good job. Thank you, honey. And so,
Yeah.
Joey, what are we going to do with this inside? We're going to put all the toys, right?
Yeah, what we're gonna do is I have some braces made for this thing that's gonna hold this thing up,
Okay.
which I'm gonna you know basically bolt on at the last minute. Let me go grab them real quick.
Okay.
But this is basically a prototype anyhow, so I'm gonna actually pull a fiberglass mold off of it because of what I'm gonna be
Wait,
doing.
you're going to pull a fiberglass mold off of this coffin?
Yeah, I'm gonna pull a fiberglass mold and make it out of fiberglass so it's a lot lighter.
Oh, okay.
So basically these things they bolt in right here like that.
Oh, cool.
So
Oh my gosh, those look great.
So that one goes over there, and then this one will go right here, just to basically hold this thing open. We just added some lights to the bottom and to the inside so that the kids can see all the toys and everything inside of it. So
Okay. And then you can see the glow underneath the sleigh. And then we have this pumpkin, you guys. This looks great. We just checked out our nightmare lights too, so I'm really excited about that. So you did a really great job, Joey. Are you pretty much done this year?
yeah, pretty much done for this year, you know. And next year it goes through a remodel. We'll add some more stuff to it and
Okay.
see what we can do.
Yeah, you did a great job. Thank you, honey.
Okay.
You ready to go get an ice cream, honey? I'll treat you.
Let's go get that ice cream.
We're gonna go to McDonald's, you guys, and we're gonna get a soft swirl ice cream cone. It's on me, okay, Joey?
On me.
Okay, thanks, you guys, and we'll talk to you later. Happy Halloween, everyone. Bye-bye.